Hello and welcome back. Prep Life Global is bringing you a day-wise series of IELTS modules. Yes, so in this, if you are a beginner and if you want to prepare for IELTS, then this day-wise series will help you a lot for sure. So I am here for IELTS speaking and today is day 1 of that. So I'm going to tell you what IELTS speaking basically is and what are the things that you have to take care while you are giving your IELTS speaking test. So in total, there are 3 parts of IELTS speaking. That is part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1, there are some general questions that are asked to you, and those general questions would strictly be based upon you and your life. For example, do you like eating chocolates? What do you prefer, TV or magazine? Do you prefer tea or coffee? What are your future plans? How do you plan on spending on next 5 years? Questions that are based on you, your personal likings, your dislikes and things like that. So you need to answer these questions in 2 to 3 lines. No need to elaborate it so much. You can just finish your answer in 2 to 3 lines. And the next part, that is part 2, in that there is one cue card that is given to you. Though it is like a long run question, in this what you have to do is, there would be one cue card they would be giving you, and then you have to read it out in that 1 minute. You would be having preparation time, that is 1 minute. You need to prepare that topic in given 1 minute, and then for the next 2 minutes you have to speak on that particular topic. Whatever the topic is given to you, you need to speak on that for next 2 minutes. So yes, what did I say is 1 minute for preparation of that cue card topic and 2 minutes for speaking for that. So now what may be the example of this cue card is, describe a time you woke up early. So now you need to describe a day when you had to get up really early in the morning. So the sub questions are also there with this cue card, like when did it happen, why did it happen, what did you do, how did you feel. So there are these sub questions that help you to frame your answers in that 1 minute, and these questions are important to answer while you are speaking for that 2 minutes, for that long run. So this is the part 2 of IELTS speaking, in which you need to answer the cue card. Moving on to the next part, that is part 3. In part 3, there are some follow-up questions. Now, these follow-up questions are strictly based on the topic that was asked to you in part 2 of your IELTS speaking. Let us take, for example, the cue card topic that I asked was, that I gave the example was of, describe a time you woke up early in the morning. So the follow-up may be, that is asked to you, can you give me some advantages of waking up early in the morning? So one more, if we take for example, what is the general time on which people wake up in your country? So these type of questions can be there in follow-up, just related to your topic of cue card. And this is how all the 3 parts are done, part 1, part 2 and part 3 of IELTS speaking.